Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm telling you everything about sunscreen, when you have to use, how you have to use, how you have to choose the sunscreen, and how frequently you have to use, what and all, pros and cons of sunscreen. All those I'm explaining in today's video. So guys, before we start with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. It will be very helpful for me. Please make me reach that 1000 subscriber very soon. So I just want to show you that I've noted down everything so that I will not forget anything to say you guys. Okay, first I'll tell you what is sunscreen. So what is sunscreen? Sunscreen, as the name only suggests, it is like a screen to your skin and sun. It acts like a screen. It protects you from harsh rays of sun. It acts like a shield to your skin and sun. So that is what sunscreen is, and that is what sunscreen does. And next is the benefits of sunscreen. So as I told you, it prevents from harsh rays of sun, and next is it prevents from tanning, it prevents from pigmentation. So guys, I've already made a video and I've already told you there how tanning and pigmentation happens. So I leave a link here in the I button, so you can check it out, and even I'll leave a link in the description box. You can check it out. And next, it prevents from wrinkles and sagging. So this is the deal guys, sun actually dries out your skin, and when your skin dries out, wrinkles, sagging, aging, everything happens. So using a sunscreen, it protects from sun, it protects from wrinkles, sagging, everything. And next is it prevents from skin cancer. And of the study have told that using sunscreen makes your skin smoother also. So who doesn't want smoother skin? So if you want a smoother skin, start using sunscreen. Cons are, there is only two cons. One is sunscreen contains titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Very few people will be having allergic on that. So that is one con. And one more thing, overuse of sunscreen is also not good. People need vitamin D, and that vitamin D comes when your skin is exposed to sun, and that sun rays turns to vitamin D. But it is not in late afternoon. Please don't think like that. In the mornings, that too from 6 to 9 or 10. In summers it is not 10. Depends on the harsh rays. You can expose your sun once or twice in a week for 20 to 30 minutes. People who are more dusky should stay for longer time. That's all the matter is. So how to choose a sunscreen? You have to choose a sunscreen according to your skin type. Okay, if you are oily, choose a sunscreen which is gel consistency. If you are dry, choose a sunscreen which has more moisturizer. One thing. And choose a sunscreen which is less than SPF 50. Don't use sunscreen which is more than SPF 50. And one more thing, choose a sunscreen which has UVA and UVB rays both. Most of the sunscreen will be having only UVA rays and not UVB rays. UVB rays is very important. I'll tell you later what is that. So you choose a sunscreen which has both UVA and UVB rays, or else if you can't find both, if you find this word broad spectrum, you can just use that sunscreen also. That also has both UVA and UVB rays. Next is, what is UVA and UVB rays? I'll just explain you what is UVA rays. UVA rays actually makes your skin damage. It makes your skin tan, it makes your skin pigmentation, wrinkles, aging, all those things. And UV melanin also protects you from UVA rays. It doesn't protect you from UVB rays. All these things about external factors, that is what UVA rays is. And now we'll come to UVB rays. UVB rays is almost all internal factor. One, UVB rays plays a key role in developing a skin cancer in your skin. Is the main rays for your sunburn. It is not UVA rays, it is UVB rays. So there's a difference between sunburn and tanning. Tanning, your skin will get darker, but sunburn, your skin will get redder, it will get burnt. So that is what sunburn is. Whatever the SPF factor is, that is mostly for this UVB rays only. It is not for UVA rays. I'll tell you about that now. So now what is SPF is? SPF is sun protection factor. Okay, so actually this is a vast subject. If I tell you all those mathematical calculations and everything, you'll get confused, guys. I don't want you to get confused. In simple terms, I'll just explain you what is SPF. So guys, for example, just think that your skin gets burned after 1 hour exposure to sun. So choosing a SPF of 30, that is, it just prevents you from sunburn from 30 times of the sunburn what you get. For 1 hour, 20 to 25 minutes of sunburn get extended. You are getting a sunburn of 1 hour, but if you wear SPF of 30, you will get sunburn after 1 hour, 20 or 25 minutes. So that's what sunscreen does. That's all. It doesn't prevent or anything. It just extends the time of your sunburn. Now that I told you that SPF, more SPF makes the time more, please don't choose more SPF. FPF until SPF 50 is enough. Else if you choose more, you will just damage your skin. And one more thing, guys, I told you, I gave you an example of 1 hour. That 1 hour is not for all the body type, all the skin type. I may get sunburn in 1 hour. You people may get sunburn in 2 hours. Other girl get sunburn in 3 hours, or other boy get sunburn in just half an hour. So that time of getting a sunburn is only about your body. It is not mandatory fact for everyone. Keep that in mind. It is little difficult to actually calculate all those timings. Please don't break your head on that. Just one simple example. Take a SPF 30 or 50 in your kit. SPF 15 is really very less. Please take 30 or 50 and wear that sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours. That is enough. Don't break your head by calculating all those sunburn thing. I just told you that you guys should know about that. You guys should have a knowledge about that. That's all. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys understood what I told you in this video. If you need more kind of this video, please let me know, guys. I'll make it for you. Please like this video, guys, and please follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. So I'll upload some of the videos there also, so you can check it out. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel and please press that bell icon next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you guys will get a notification. Guys, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.